In this video, we're going to learn about comments in JavaScript. So to get started, if you can go into your project folder, let's go ahead and navigate to the 5-comments folder, go into the start subfolder, and let's open up the index.html page and the main.js file. Then in your browser, you'll also want to go ahead and open the index.html page in your browser, and you should see comments on the page. So comments in your code can be used for multiple things. Some common examples are they can be used to document your code. So when you're creating functions, classes, or really complex code, they're a way for you to document what's actually happening there. For your functions, they're a way for you to provide information on what type of arguments can be passed to that function. They can also be used to place to-dos and other enhancements that you want to do to the code. And they can generally be used for anything that you want them to be. So comments are unique because they are lines of JavaScript code that are ignored and they are not actually executed by the browser. So to see these in action, let's go ahead and switch over to our main.js file. The first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and write an alert, and we'll go ahead and write hi, and we'll go ahead and save. And if we refresh our page, we should expect a notification to appear with our hi message. So there are a few ways you can actually create comments in your code. The first way is if you add 2 forward slashes to the beginning of a line and you go ahead and save. You'll notice right away in our code editor, this full line becomes green. And what that's signifying is that anything that's after these 2 forward slashes will be completely ignored and not executed. So even though this is valid JavaScript code right here, this will turn into a JavaScript comment and it won't be executed. So to see this, if we go ahead and refresh our web page, you'll see that our alert is no longer functioning. So one important thing to know is, as I mentioned, anything after the forward slashes are treated as a comment. However, anything before the slashes will be executed. So you'll see here in my editor, my alert hi. So I'm just going to do a hi 2 here. You'll see that it is you'll see that it's not colored green. It's being treated as regular JavaScript code that will be executed. So if we go ahead and refresh our page, we'll see our notification with our hi 2 message. So another way to create a comment in JavaScript is you can do a forward slash followed by an asterisk. Then anything after that asterisk will be treated as a comment. So we just do hi there. And then if you do another asterisk followed by a forward slash, this will end that JavaScript comment. So now if we go ahead and save and refresh, we still get our alert with hi 2, but we don't get the errors in our code. So normally if I wrote hi there, this would be invalid JavaScript code, but because it's a comment, it's not actually executed. So what's really great about the forward slash and the asterisk comment is it's often referred to as a multi-line JavaScript comment, and the reason for that is because this can expand across multiple lines. So if we go ahead and erase that, and we just add a few lines here, I'm going to go ahead and copy this hi 2 statement here. I'm going to paste it a few times. And you'll see in our editor that this whole block of code is being treated as a comment. And if we refresh our page, you'll see we only get the hi 2 message once and not actually 3 times.